the Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino train pack and the Virgin Trains Pendolino. Unboxing. Inside we have a pulp tray. You can see that the train is packed in this kind of polythene stuff, and it's in a pulp tray. Virgin Trains Pendolino, almost identical box. But we see here that it is a polystyrene box and not a pulp tray. These pieces of paper, just tissue paper that I have used. First out of the box is the power car. Let's get that on the track. Next is the car with the pantograph. And then the car. There we are. There we are on the track, so let's give it some power. Off we go. Compare the interior of the two power cars. Closely we see that they have the same circuit board, and coming along a bit further you notice the same power bogie. I've noticed that the newer one doesn't seem to have such a good motor, but that may be because it hasn't been run in yet. So you could say it's effectively the same train. In the old Pendolino, this metal plate is coloured black, but in this one it's just plain bare metal. The reason I've got this opened up is so I can fit a decoder. So I take the blanking plate out and fit a decoder. Which isn't easy. That fits like that. We put a sticky fixer. Put that there. Peel that off. You put that in place like that. that's in place.